Today we are just going to see the importance of IELTS exam, SAT exam, JEE Advanced exam in order to get admission in IIT Abu Dhabi or Gulf universities. EM SAT English is really mandatory, and if you are just aiming to take admission in IIT Abu Dhabi, so we know that we have these two BTech course so far in that university. These exams are really important if you really want to study abroad. Hello my dear lovely students, I Rashmi Mamgai welcome you here at Physics Wala Gulf channel. Today we are just going to see the importance of IELTS exam or SAT exam, JEE Advanced exam in order to get admission in IIT Abu Dhabi or Gulf universities. So what are the importance of these exams? So let's discuss about the SAT. So we know that many Gulf country universities accept SAT score to UG program, and since it is recognized internationally, so it's like giving chance the student to study globally. If you are having the good SAT score, you can take admission in various like foreign universities also, right? So this is like gateway if you are really dreaming to take admission in the foreign university. And if you're just aiming to take admission IIT Abu Dhabi, so we know that we have these two BTech course so far in that university. BTech Computer Sciences and Engineering, BTech in Energy Engineering, right? So if you are an Indian student, then you have to appear for JEE Advanced exam for this college, for this university, for this institute, right? And then this JEE Advanced exam is the gateway to get admission there, and you don't have to appear for the MSAT Mathematics if you are appearing for the JEE Advanced exam. And then IELTS or TOEFL or EM SAT English is really mandatory. So obviously if you really want to study in the foreign along with the SAT, your IELTS or TOEFL or according to country, right? Or if you're taking admission in the Gulf, so they have this, or UAE, right? So they have this EM SAT English score. So you have to get this much marks in order to get admission in the Gulf universities or IIT Abu Dhabi also, right? And obviously I have told you that all these exams are recognized globally, right? Or if you really want to take admission anywhere in the Gulf countries, they ask you for the score, this IELTS or TOEFL or MSAT English score. Or if you are really like want to take admission in any medical college, so you have in some universities in the Gulf, which we have made the video. So we have made the video on this topic before, so you can check it out. So a lot of the like medical university ask for the NEET score, along with they also have their own exams. Plus you have to appear for any of these English proficiency score. So that is the importance, right? So it's giving you the way to take admission globally on the basis of these exams, these English proficiency score or your SAT score. So that's why these exams are really important if you really want to study abroad. All the best, kids.